In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint to Microsoft Teams. This presentation guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your file is shared successfully and easily accessible to your team members. To begin the process, open Microsoft Teams on your device. It's important to make sure you have your PowerPoint file ready, as you will need to upload it to a specific team or channel where collaboration takes place. This preparation ensures a smooth experience while sharing presentations, especially during a meeting. Once you're inside Microsoft Teams, navigate to the appropriate team or channel where you plan to share the PowerPoint file. This is crucial because members of this team or specific channel will be the ones accessing and collaborating on the file you've uploaded. Look to the upper portion of your screen and find the Files tab. Clicking on it will direct you to the section where all shared documents, presentations, and files are housed for the team. Now, it's time to upload your PowerPoint file. Click on the Upload button. A dialog box will likely appear, allowing you to browse your computer or device for the file you wish to share. Simply select your PowerPoint file from your computer. This may take a moment depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, but once it is uploaded successfully, it becomes part of the team's shared resources. After uploading the file, all members of your channel or team can have access to it. This ensures everyone can review the material ahead of time or follow along during your presentation. It's a collaborative way to keep everyone on the same page. When you're in a meeting and ready to share your PowerPoint, you'll need to utilize the Share feature within Microsoft Teams. Look for Share followed by PowerPoint Live. This option allows you to select the PowerPoint file you've just uploaded. One great benefit of using PowerPoint Live is that participants can navigate back and forth through your slides without affecting your view as the presenter. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to digital presentations. Uploading your PowerPoint file ahead of your Microsoft Teams meeting ensures a seamless professional delivery that both you and your colleagues will appreciate. This method not only enhances your presentation flow, but also encourages interactive participation as your audience can engage with the material more readily. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you'll have your PowerPoint ready to present on Microsoft Teams in no time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful guides like this.